Foods that can boost your moods. Our mood swings up and down. Sometimes we are happy and joyful, feeling that anything is possible. Then the bad days come and our mood worsens. A bad mood can range from sadness to anger. The impact of a bad mood is huge. It lowers our confidence, reduces productivity, and creates negative thoughts. Let's take a look at the following foods that have been tested and proven to improve mood together. 1. Dark chocolate. The high content of flavonoids, active compounds, and powerful antioxidants in dark chocolate can improve mood or alleviate negative moods. Consuming dark chocolate releases various compounds like theobromine and caffeine that have the potential to improve your mood. The health-promoting flavonoids in dark chocolate increases blood flow to the brain. Plus, they reduce inflammation, support brain health and cognitive function. As powerful antioxidants, these compounds may also reduce oxidative stress. 2. Nuts and seeds. Their mood-enhancing properties are due to their high antioxidant capacity and polyphenols. These nutrients are known to support brain physiology. Seeds such as pumpkin seeds are a good source of tryptophan, an amino acid responsible for serotonin production. Remember that a healthy brain means better mood control. Sunflower seeds, Brazil nuts, hazelnuts, almonds, and walnuts are some of the many nuts you can add to your diet. 3. Bananas. Evidence confirms that bananas are one of the mood-boosting foods. The vitamin B6 content allows bananas to improve mood. This micronutrient is needed for the synthesis of feel-good neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. Banana is a great source of fiber, and its natural sugar is released slowly into the bloodstream. As a result, blood sugar remains stable and mood control improves. On the other hand, low blood sugar can cause negative moods such as mood swings and irritability. 4. Beans and lentils. Evidence supports that moderate consumption of this food may protect against severe depressive mood, especially in premenopausal women. The mood-enhancing properties of beans and lentils lie in their fiber content. However, they also provide the body with B vitamins. These vitamins help improve mood by increasing levels of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. Keeping them balanced allows you to improve your mood in a healthy way. The versatility of beans and lentils makes it easy to incorporate them into your diet. You can use them to prepare soups, stews, and casseroles. 5. Oats. They are rich in antioxidants that lowers blood pressure levels by increasing nitric oxide production. As a result, they promote blood circulation throughout the body. Good blood circulation allows nutrients to reach the brain. Oats are also rich in fiber, which ensures the gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream, and therefore stabilizing your energy levels and mood. The simplest way is to eat oatmeal for breakfast. Other options are to include oats in pies and bread. 6. Fermented foods. They are a good source of bacteria that improve gut health and support the function of gut bacteria. The gut microbiome is important for the biosynthesis of serotonin, a brain chemical that promotes good health. Serotonin is an important neurotransmitter that helps stabilize mood, feelings of joy, and happiness. Serotonin also allows brain cells and other cells of the nervous system to communicate with each other. Keeping serotonin levels balanced is important for improving your mood. Low serotonin levels can affect your mood and emotional health. Enrich your diet with sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh, kefir, natto, kombucha, and probiotic yogurt. In this way, you will strengthen your health and improve your mood. 7. Berries. They are rich in antioxidants, which successfully neutralizes free radicals. In this way, they fight oxidative stress which can harm the entire body. It is also associated with improving various mood disorders including depression and anxiety. When it comes to phenolic compounds, berries are particularly rich in anthocyanin. The consumption of anthocyanins can reduce the risk of depression by 39%. In one study, eating blueberries shown to improve mood within 2 hours. 8. Sweet potatoes. 1 cup, 200 g. of baked sweet potatoes contains 29% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin B6, which helps with serotonin synthesis. This provides the body with 15% of the recommended daily intake of niacin. Niacin, vitamin B3, is part of metabolism, helping to convert tryptophan into serotonin. Sweet potatoes are also high in fiber, which can help maintain mood control throughout the day. In addition, anthocyanins found in purple sweet potatoes can protect your brain. They do this by reducing inflammation and preventing free radical damage. Antioxidant activity and improved brain health are potential mechanisms of action leading to a better and more stable mood. 9. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, sardines and trout are good for your mood. Evidence suggests that low levels of omega-3 fatty acids are associated with many brain disorders, including depression and anxiety disorders. The benefits of omega-3s on mood were shown especially in women. These healthy fats support healthy brain function by balancing neurotransmitter levels, thereby balancing moods. Adults may need to take a combination of 250 to 500 milligrams of DHA and EPA per day. Although eating fish oil is a better option, you can also opt for a fish oil supplement. Lastly, we have eggs. Studies confirm that a whole egg can demonstrate antidepressant-like effects by increasing tryptophan incorporation in the brain. Eggs are also a good source of choline, which promotes the production of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. This neurotransmitter regulates memory, mood, muscle control, and other nervous system functions. Eggs will boost your energy level, keep you full for hours, and encourage the production of important neurotransmitters, bringing good moods. We all have bad moods from time to time. In some people, mood problems are more severe than in others. While it may seem like the bad days will last forever, the reality is different. Food is very important. The food we eat has a direct impact on how we feel. A healthy diet can help us control our mood more effectively. Tell us what you think in the comment below. Wish you the best of health. I love you. Remember to subscribe, like, and share.